My cold email strategy booked 3,000 plus calls in the last 12 months without writing emails for hours. In this video, I break down the exact step-by-step process I used so you can replicate the same results for yourself or your clients. If you're an agency owner or B2B service provider looking to scale through outbound, especially personalized cold email outreach, this is for you. First, let's talk about targeting. Here's the framework I use to get laser focused ICP. It stands for industry, company size, pain point. Here's the difference. Bad targeting, I help businesses grow their revenue. Great targeting though, I help B2B SaaS companies with 20 to 100 employees who are struggling to scale their sales team beyond founder level. Why does this work? Because it triggers the "that's me" response. When a prospect reads your message and instantly feels like you understand their exact situation, you've already earned their attention and trust. Action steps. Look at your best client or dream client and ask yourself, what industry are they in? What's their company size? What specific pain are they facing? That's your ICP3 filter, and it's the foundation for a cold outreach strategy that actually gets replies. Opening line psychology. Now let's talk about opening lines. The best opening lines aren't compliments, they're observations. Cold emails that include company specific observation saw a 340% higher reply rate than those that didn't. When you say something like, "I love your company," your prospect thinks this is generic. But saying, "I notice your recent expansion into the European market," shows effort. It makes the prospect think, okay, this person actually did their homework. Here are the 3 highest converting opening lines formulas I've tested. The observation. I noticed specific event, post or news about their company. This proves you're paying attention to them, not just sending a template. The pattern. I've been working with several their industry companies and noticed a common challenge with specific problem. This positions you as someone who understands their world. The insight. While researching their industry, I came across relevant stat, trend or shift. This triggers curiosity and frames you as someone with perspective. The common thread, specificity. Generic gets ignored. Specific gets responses. The give-ask framework. This is where most people mess up. They immediately pitch their services. The top 1% do the opposite. They lead with value. Here's the framework I call give-ask. Give. Share an insight, offer a free resource, or point out an opportunity. Ask. Make a soft request for a conversation with specific benefit. So, how do you pitch your service? How to pitch your service. After providing value, your ask needs to be clear, simple, and benefit focused. Here are 3 proven templates. Template 1, the insight share. Hi name. I was analyzing trends in their industry and noticed companies like yours are missing out on 30 to 40% more qualified leads by not optimizing specific area. I put together a quick 2-minute audit of your current setup. Would you like me to send it over? Template 2, the case study. Hi name. We just helped similar company boost their specific metric by percentage using a strategy I think could work well for their company. Open to a quick 5-minute chat to walk you through what we did. Template 3, the resource offer. Hi name. I noticed specific observation. I created a checklist that helps company type avoid the 3 most costly mistakes in challenge area. Happy to send it over if helpful. Lead with value. Ask softly. Zero pressure. No pitching, no pushing. Just relevant, helpful outreach that earns attention and responses. How to craft the perfect CTA. Most people fumble the ask. They start strong, then ruin it with, "Do you have time for a quick call?" That doesn't work because it's vague, one-sided, and doesn't answer the one thing every prospect is thinking. What's in it for me? Here's what does work. Instead of requesting time, offer value in exchange for time. The formula is simple. Would you be interested in a specific time duration conversation about clear benefit? Examples. Would you be interested in a 5-minute conversation about how to reduce your churn by 25%? Would you be open to a brief discussion about the 3 strategies we used to help similar company double their qualified leads? Why it works. 50 minutes feels concrete and durable. Quick call feels vague and like a potential time trap. And most importantly, you're not asking for their time. You're offering a clear payoff. Adding a specific time plus benefit to the ask increase reply rates by 67%. It's a volume game. People love saying cold email is about quality, not quantity. But let's be real. Volume matters a lot. Because here's the simple math. More emails, more replies, more calls, more cash. The problem? Most people can't do high volume without burning out or getting flagged. That's where automation comes in. I built my own AI sales agent to send high converting emails at scale. Fully automated, fully personalized. While I sleep, it's booking calls. Link in the description if you want to check it out. Here's the difference. Manual outreach is equal to hours of grinding. Automated outreach is equal to thousands of touchpoints on autopilot with AI. You don't need to choose between volume and quality. With the right systems, you can have both. And if you want to see exactly how to send personalized emails with AI and get your next or first 10 clients, watch the video here where I'll explain everything.